Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 394 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the Kleancolor Retractable Waterproof Lip/Eyeliner that I got from ShopMissA. I have this in the shade Silver, and so because this was from ShopMissA, it's only $1 and it's cruelty free. Let's see how this looks. Oh wow, pointy pencil, and it twists up. Let's see how much product we get. Oh, more than I expected. That's it twisted up all the way. Show it with the background. I love that this is waterproof and that it can be for the lips or eyes. And I was really excited to get a silver eyeliner. I thought it would just be like a really pretty touch to an eye look. Let's see how this swatches. So it's right there. It doesn't show up on my skin tone as much as I would have liked. It is really pretty, has a nice metallic finish to it. So what I want to do is I just want to try lining my upper lash line with this, kind of the way I would if I wanted to just add a fun silver line or add it to an eyeshadow look. And then I also want to try lining my lower lash line and see how that looks. Wow, this actually, oh my gosh, I'm getting it all over my lashes, but we'll ignore my terrible application. I feel like I normally need to do this in front of the mirror, not holding a mirror. Sometimes it takes two hands to be steady, but this is actually gliding on so nicely and really quick and easy to apply. And it's actually applying with really nice pigment too. It looks pretty, but kind of natural, like from a distance, probably can't even notice it, but it does add just like a really pretty touch of sheen, a little extra glamour to an eye look, but adding this with eyeshadow already on could take that look to the next level, so that looks really nice. Well, let's see how it looks on the lower lash line. Yeah, really pretty on the lower lash line, and the fact that this is waterproof will mean that it can actually stay on my lower lash line, unlike other eyeliners that I feel like just disappear. And it really does just draw the attention to that eye. So let me get up close, but like this eye with the silver liner versus this eye without it. And for a $1 product, this has nice pigment. It applied so easily. One more spot where I think that this would be great is the inner corner, to kind of brighten that up. Yeah, I think that looks really cool too. Yeah, lots of use for this. Even if I wanted to do a silver lip someday or add some ombre, touch of silver to my lips, this is just great to have in my collection, and for only $1. I wish this came in other colors because I really like the formula. I'm really impressed right now. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any tips on wearing silver eyeliner and ways that you like to incorporate silver pencils into your makeup looks, because now I want to get so much use out of this. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.